al noticiero Química Noticias. El día de hoy tenemos una edición especial en la que hablaremos de la contaminación. Para eso tenemos una invitada especial, Mrs. Guevara. Ella es especialista en la contaminación de suelos. Vamos a darle la bienvenida para que nos hable sobre el tema. Hi, Mrs. Guevara.
Hello, I am very glad to be here. This is a very important topic. It's good you're doing it special. I am going to talk about definition, the types, the effects on human health, and the causes. I have a colleague from my country. She is going to show us this really cool experiment on which we take soil and we divide it into three. It's very interesting and it shows us where we are standing.
Tinder, it's very interesting. Thanks for coming. Hi, now Ana Maria is going to give us the definition. The definition of soil contamination is the presence of toxic chemical compounds in different levels and in different quantities. They degrade the soil. These substances are made by man or other alteration to natural environment. Esta contaminación puede ser continua o discontinua, es decir, que puede presentarse en cualquier época del año. Soil contamination have two types. The first one is endogenous or natural. The second one is exogenous or tropical. The first one is a process of concentration in soil pollution and toxicity that shows determined in metallic elements that they are present in rocks and minerals. El segundo está presente en diferentes contaminantes de los recursos naturales como los volcanos, como se muestra en esta imagen. Este es respectivamente puntual, en el que se está presente en sitios específicos y un ejemplo son como los pesticidas que se difunden en los cultivos.
Now we're going to talk about the causes of soil contamination. We have the uncontrolled wastewater disposal and the incorrect storage of products or waste in industrial activities.
The industrial construction and demolition waste, and finally the underground drums.
The uncontrolled wastewater disposal is the soil and ground wastewaters that are contaminated as a result of the uncontrolled disposal of untreated wastewaters from industries, municipalities, and livestock installations. This may contain chemicals which contaminate the soil. An example can be leaks, or a solution may be wastewater treatment plants that need to be used in these examples. Industrial storage of products is one of the most common sources of soil contamination. This occurs because of industrial activities, and many usual examples of this can be leaks of the companies, industries, of storage tanks or accidental disposal on unprepared areas.
Illegal burning of drums that is shown in this image with waste and deterioration in time may cause soil and groundwater contaminate. Ahora les va a hablar la señorita Natalia Pérez, colega de la señorita Michelle Guevara, geóloga, acerca de las causas en la contaminación de suelos. Hello, Mrs. Guevara. I think that everyone wants to know about effects on human health.
Hello, Miss. With my colleague, we have this method about the metal found in the soil, the effect, and the source where it came from.
So yes, for example, one can be the arsenic that, like you could see in this image, can cause gastrointestinal disturbance, conjunctivitis, sometimes skin cancer, and poison leads to a loss of appetite and loss of weight.
Another metal can be the cadmium, which is found through mining and electroplanting. This leads to chronic poisoning and affects the proximal tubules of the kidney, causing the formation of kidney stones.
The next one is the lead. That lead poison or can cause the death or a mental disturbance.
Even death, and it comes from the melting of storage batteries.
And the final one is cyanides that can cause the death of the inhibition of respiration cells.
Hi everyone, so thanks for having me, and today I'm going to be talking about how the soil pollution affects the environment. And before I start, sorry about all the noises around. It's because right now I'm in South Africa doing a project and that you're going to hear in the news soon. So the first thing that the soil pollution affects is the fertilizers, nutrients, and this is so important. According to University of Minnesota, this is one of the largest sources of pollution, of soil pollution in the world. Also, those fertilizers, nutrients are so important to agricultural jobs because they help to grow the crops and the plants right there. So what happens is that when it rains, the nutrients that are in the soil, in the agriculture, ones that we're talking about that, what happens is that those go out of there and go to the lake and to the ponds. What happens with this is that this promotes the growth of algae and the harmful plants and reduce the oxygen of the body of the plant. The second topic is salinization, and this is one of the most common problems of pollution, and is caused by the irrigation in arid and semi-arid climates. And this irrigation causes that the salt is built up in the soil and also makes the soil unable to grow the crops. The third topic is the groundwater pollution, and this is so easy to explain. It's happened that all the soil pollutants go through the soil, obviously, and to the groundwater. The fourth topic is the heavy metals. So there are heavy metals that pollute the soil, like plutonium, uranium, and radium. Those pollute the soil either naturally or because of human activity. Other heavy metals, like the ones that are right here, are so dangerous because of mining activity, automobile use, or industrial activities. The heavy metals also damage the chromosomes of animals and humans, and leading illnesses like cancer, mutations, and other variety of problems. Okay, and last but not least is the pesticide. This is the fifth and last topic of the environmental effects of the soil pollution. The pesticide is also a cause of soil pollution. It can poison the plants. It can decrease the fertility of the soil and make it unable to grow to support the life of the plant. And it can also cause toxic reactions in animals and humans. So that's all about the effects on the environment in soil pollution. I hope all this information I provide you helps on the investigation you're doing on the studio with all the specialists that talk about the causes, the characteristics, and all that stuff. So if you need me, so just contact me, and yeah, so hope you enjoyed and hope this helps. So bye. So after all this information provided, I'm gonna leave you some image about what I talk so you can understand a little bit more. Okay, so bye, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for having me.
This experiment is a way to show us where we stand, which soil we are on. So we are going to prove and determine the level of contamination in each place. What we need is 3 jars of jam, and we're going to fill this with different types of soil. Then on each jar we're labeling it to indicate the type of land it contains. We fill the jars with water and we cover them. We shake the 3 jars and mix the water and the land. We wait a few days to see the results. And that is all.